Back when I was younger and I was a performer and I did a lot of this, the health of my knees was where I made my money. If my knees weren't healthy, I couldn't perform, I couldn't make money. So we were really focused on conditioning and strengthening the knees and a lot of really strange angles. Now, the 45 degrees knees over toes squat is something we did quite a lot of. Now, I've only seen one other person really preach this thing outside of the circus community, but we used to do it 5 reps straight up and down, but then we used to bring in circles. So we would butterfly out the way and then reverse it. So give this a go. It's quite tough on the quads. It's great for your knee joint health. As I say, 5 reps one direction, straight up and down, 5 reps out, and 5 reps in. That's one set. So do 5 sets of that. Let me know what you think.